Hello guys, Daniel and John here, and welcome back to another one of our product review videos. And as you can see, we're looking at Creocote. It's a light brown. It's made by Bartoline oil-based timber treatment. And some details on the back.
So it's made in England. You get 4 litres in a container. You will need some to decant it in, and you will need a brush to put it on.
And some old clothes and gloves as well.
Clothes and gloves. Just a little tip when you're applying it. Let's do a bit I haven't done.
So we'll show you how it goes on, and then we'll show you what one coat on this type of wood looks like.
So it is very watery, and I find the easiest way is to come up with it first. Just let it soak in, and it's excellent stuff. If you look at this shed, this would have been treated with the same sort of stuff, because as you see it's drying. It's a very similar colour to that shed, and that's why we chose it. It comes in dark oak, medium oak I think, and we've got like the light one to match the shed. That's why we chose it. But it's oil based, so it's a real good preservative for wood. Might do a couple of coats.
So I'll just show you, so as you can see, this is what it looks like with just going on. And I'll just show you what one light coat looks like, virtually dried. So you can see the bare wood at the back and that. Really so you might want to block it up a bit with 2 or 3 more coats. It's up to you really.
Well, I'd be happy with that.
Yeah, it's just, nice. So that's what it looks like subtle. Basically.
It's the light oak we've got, it's real subtle. It's the same as the shed. It'll dry the same as the shed, basically. So, yeah, so it's really nice.
So, if you are thinking about using this product, we hope our review is helpful to you.
Just a word of warning: it is quite smelly, and it is sort of a bit old school.
It's an old school way.
I was surprised we could still get it, but we did, and we're using it to preserve this wood. So, thanks for watching.